Hi. So I brought this juicy offer. I know a lot of us have been wanting to work globally, whether it's to travel abroad or work abroad for whatever reason. So I brought this juicy offer for those that feel maybe they are in the housekeeping industry or menial jobs and they feel there's no opportunity for them. This opportunity is for you. And this opportunity is a tailor on a cruise ship. When I saw it, I was like, oh, really nice because these opportunities always not so out there. And when I saw it, I said, I must share this. So, whatsoever, if you know anybody, absolutely, your family members, anybody that sews or can do little adjustments like repairing crew uniforms and the like, please show them this video. And what this is about, I'm going to show it on the screen so you can follow through. So this position, it was just recently published and just position is tailor and linen keeper. So what's the purpose of position? The tailor is responsible for repairing crew uniform, guest clothes, and all hotel department linen. It's just basic, right? It's not something out of the world. So if you know anybody in your family that has tried traveling to Canada, US, and the likes, and it's not working, why don't you try to move to the ship cruise industry, right? And see if you can earn in dollars. So your responsibility, you can, I'll leave it here. I'll leave the link so that you can do well to read about what the responsibility is. So your profile, what do you need? You need to read and write English in an advanced level, thorough knowledge of storeroom operation and storing procedure, good knowledge of cruise ship operation. All this, just go on Google and read about cruise ship operation. Everything will be there for you. So when you are in an interview, when they ask you questions, you will know what to say. All these things are not just in black and white. You can easily find it. Familiar with all departments and their functions within hotel, expert in tailoring operations. So good, what's the language requirement? Good knowledge of the English language is required. Basic. Basics. Like basic. So if you know anybody within this or you know somebody that can do this, please share them this opportunity. Hey, hello. You were planning to learn French and you've tried and you are tired of using different apps and they are not working. I'm bringing this offer for you. It's to learn French in 3 months, online for beginners. So if you don't know anything about French, this is for you. It's just for 3 months, and this course will be covering speaking, reading, writing, and listening. And one beautiful reason why I love this is because of the learning method. It incorporates music, it incorporates movies, it also incorporates videos. That means no matter which category you feel you fit in or your learning pattern, you can be able to learn passively and actively at the same time. It also covers weekly assignments, weekend classes, and monthly exams. If you want to stand out globally, you need to enroll for this course. Whether you want to use it for travel to Canada, US, different part of the world, this course is for you. So if you would love to enroll for this, reach out to the email address infochiomaevo@gmail.com or reach out to this WhatsApp number +2349041553223 WhatsApp only. Additionally, you can also click the link below to send a WhatsApp message directly to that number with no stress. And it is just going for a little fee. It is for 5,000 naira monthly. Monthly, not US dollar, 5,000 naira monthly. The classes will be starting in April 3rd to June 28th. So don't miss this for anything. No matter how busy or choking your schedule is, this is a good opportunity to learn French while having fun with a schedule that fits into whatever phase of life you currently are right now. So, hurry now. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.